Well, it looks like I'm back. Back to rediscovering the thing that I thought I'd lost. And this time it's not my keys. If you watched my previous vlog, you'll know that I kind of lost my way in carp fishing and decided to, well, just have a break really. It's 9 AM on a Wednesday morning and I've got a couple of days off work and I'm just about to become poor again. I'm basically starting from scratch. I need rods, reels, end tackle, bag, you name it, I need it. The lads in the shop are really helpful and they'll give you loads of advice on product. And they'll give you a decent discount, which is always good. Right, let's go fishing. Like most of us, I was taught to fish by my dad and a little bit by my brother too. I fished a lot in my teenage years and then I found booze and women. I eventually came back to fishing in the early 1990s, and then in the 2000s I started working in the industry too. My role was head of creative for a few of the big carping brands, and I met some absolutely fantastic people and worked on some great projects. But I think working in the market almost took the fun out of fishing for me. I'm really hoping we can find our way back. Right then, we've got a van full of gear. Looks pretty busy at the lake, but I'm sure we'll find a place. And hopefully there'll be some action in store. This lake holds some great memories for me, but this hill definitely isn't one of them. Braxted Res is a 9-acre reservoir on the Chelmsford Angling Association ticket. It varies in its depths, from the deepest part in the north and the shallows in the south. It's got a great head of carp, biggest I think is about 36 pounds. It's also got some big tench and big rudd too. Of all the memories that I have for this lake, the best one is this one, my son catching his first 20-pounder. 15 years on and he's taller than me now. He's joining me today to give me a hand with the camera and maybe try and catch that fish again. This place hasn't changed a bit. Even some of the features that I used to fish to are still here. Like this fallen tree. I can feel that excitement building. I need to get my gear out. So, tactics of the day. It's a 2-rod limit, so my left-hand rod is definitely going off at the tip of that tree. Margin fishing here is prolific. And my second rod is definitely going out on top or just below the surface. I'll start with floaters, and if that doesn't work, I'll switch to a zig. It's worth checking your baits here. There's a lot of debris in the margins, and you don't want to be sitting on that all day, do you? I was thinking to myself last night whether I'd remember how to do everything. But actually, it's just like riding a bike really. A few handfuls of bait, nothing too much. Little and often, as they say. Well, at least somebody likes the pink pop-ups. It's not a carp, but hey, a fish is a fish. this fish. It's not the biggest carp in the world, but my God, it's definitely got a 4-stroke engine on the back of it. That last turn before you lift the net is just awesome.
He's not a biggie, but he's a decent enough prize, especially after being away for a year or so. Thanks a lot. I suppose that's kind of payback. That's it out. That's nice. So, Mr. Angry Common, number 1. There he is. My first little common, my welcome back. And yeah, hey, great. Happy with that. Any carp is welcome. Yes, number 1. I think that's the beauty of having soft rods as well. Well, 3-pound rods. You get such a good action in through the whole body of the rod. Wow, look at that. This is on a little pink pop-up, sitting on the bottom. There's a lot of movement out there. I've obviously got control of float, tempting all the ones on top, and they're obviously diving down. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's what we like. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. It's not a biggie, that's for sure. There he is. There he comes. Yes. That is such fun. Such fun. Love that. Nothing monstrous, but angry. Very angry indeed. They're not the biggest fish in the world, but they are great fun. On like 12-pound line, 3-pound Tesco rods, it's a bit more fun instead of just having a broomstick and another little baby in the net, and well, I am happy. Good condition. This is an angry one. Oh my goodness, this is angry. Oh, he's angry. So right, I've just had a double take, which is great fun. So I'm just going to let the slack off on this one a bit. Now I know it's properly hooked. Just a bit. And I'm just going to set this one off because it's not very fair. It's just sitting here. So let's get this one. All right, okay. He's happy. Let's get this one up. Such great little fighters. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. As I say, they're not the biggest in the world, but they're so much fun. That's a better fish. That's a better fish, I think. Maybe slightly, maybe a 20-pounder there. Oh yeah, maybe a little 20-pounder there. feel every kick, every bit of movement through this rod. Yeah, okay. I think he's done. Oh, last dying kick. Yes. That's what it's all about. Again. So here it is. Nice, long, greyish common from Braxted Res. I think this probably just goes maybe 21, 22 pound maybe. It's a nice fish. It's well behaved. Yeah, we'll turn it around, have a look on the other side, and then we'll put her straight back. There she is, the other side. 21, 22 pounds, just over 20 pounds. I'm not even going to weigh her, but look at the size of that rudder. Whew, that is a beast. Absolute beast. Okay, let's get her back.
I'm often asked why I like fishing. And to be honest with you, I did ask myself that same question. But to be in this moment, to be a witness to this incredible creature in its own natural habitat, is just an honour. Along with the carp, there are plenty of other wildlife species here to spot. Lots of different bird life, including crested grebes, tufted ducks, and these black-headed gulls, which aren't always welcome, but actually I love seeing them like this. This is actually shot by my son Aidan. He's got a good eye for filming, and I'm hoping that he'll follow in his old man's footsteps. His casting needs a bit of work, but hey, you can't have everything, can you? Fishing's always been a good time to build relationships with family and friends. And what with all the pressure these kids are under, fishing is good downtime. It gives you time to think. Now, it may not be the monster he was hoping for, but that is a big rud. 2.5 pounds.
Happy days? Well done, boy.
Happy days indeed. And hopefully next time you'll meet this one again.
Well, this has been really fun, really fun. Had a few fish, had a few small fish, but yeah, it's part of the joy. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the next one. I think the next session's going to be a day ticket. I think we need to sort of increase our challenge increment by increment. And yeah, day ticket I think should be next. And then we'll see where it goes. But for now, the res is good fun. And I'm having a really good day. And yeah, look forward to the next one.